me without you, babe. Couldn't see me without you, baby. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is moisturize because I haven't moisturized my face and it's really tight right now. So just to show you guys my complexion right now, this is what it's looking like. I have like an old scarred pimple here. My skin overall is looking okay. I get really dry in like my T-zone area, and then throughout the day it gets really oily. So I'm gonna get started with this Laneige hyaluronic cream. So I'm gonna take the little spatula, and it's really easy to use, and you get like the perfect amount because she's really dry right now. So right off the bat, it feels really, really nice and very hydrating, I will say that. I really want to focus this on like my chin and my T-zone. I really do like this moisturizer. I feel like it's very soft on the skin, and it also doesn't look too greasy. I think if anything, I look glowy, replenished, and awake, which is all that we want, okay, in our skincare. So I really like that. The next thing that I wanted to use, because I didn't buy a primer this year, this is the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer. So we'll put this to the test. I'm excited to try this because I always hear such good things about it, and we're gonna be able to try it today. So far, super silky. I like a primer that makes my skin feel my pores are being filled, and then when I put my makeup on, like, it feels very, very plump and it doesn't feel cakey or bumpy or in any way. So that was really nice. I really liked the application of that. The next thing that I think we're just gonna go into is our brows. So let's get into it. I kind of wish that I got a new brow product, but I just have so many that I just need to use up first. So right now I'm using the Anastasia the Anastasia Dark Brown Brow Powder Duo. So I'm just going super light with the brows. I don't want it to be too overpowering. I love a more natural brow lately. I used to do like the full 9 yards with my eyebrows, but it definitely wasn't for me. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setting Gel. So once you open it up, this is the wand. Really easy to use. I just did a little bit of concealer underneath the eyebrows, which is just the Maybelline Fit Me in the color Wheat, but it's like the perfect underbrow highlight shade. We have our primer on. I'm gonna get into it. We're gonna get started with the IT Cosmetics CC cream and see how this looks all over the face. I'm gonna apply it with a sponge. I think that's just my favorite way of applying my foundation. Overall, the consistency is really nice. I definitely feel like it does kind of look like you are still wearing makeup, but I guess that's just like the beauty of makeup. You're gonna look like you're wearing makeup. Nevertheless, I feel like my complexion looks really great with that, so I'm not complaining. The next thing I'm gonna go in with is the Kosas concealer. So this is gonna be like my most favorite part. It's in the color 3 Warm, and I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes. I also heard that there's a foundation, but it's not available in Canada. So I don't know what that's all about, but Kosas, please. I really want to try that. And I hear from my viewers that it's like really good. So Kosas, if you're watching this, let me know. Okay, yeah, I really like the consistency and it looks really, really good. Do you guys see that? I zoomed you guys in a little bit. This is so much better. So this is what the face is looking like so far. You have the CC cream underneath and then some of the Kosas concealer underneath my eyes. I think I'm honestly just gonna leave it at that because I feel like if I do any more, it'll look a little bit too full coverage for my liking. I didn't end up getting a contour or a bronzer this year, which is kind of surprising because I usually do, but this is just my Tantour by Huda Beauty and it's like an OG, one of my favorites. I'm just gonna lightly dust this on, and it's a cream product. Honestly, what's nice about cream products is that you can build it, but I really think the bronzer just looks really nice here. And I'm kind of using it all over because it's not shiny, which is honestly what we love. It's more of a contour. It's not necessarily a bronzer, but if you use it however you want, it can be a bronzer. So the next thing I'm gonna be using is the Rare Beauty blush. This is in the color Bliss. Guys, you guys recommended so many cute shades for me to try, but tell me why. In store, online, it's completely sold out in the color Hope, in the color Happy, I think. Just all the colors, they're gone. And just put that here. And I'm gonna take my little brush here and just brush that in. We know my love for this blush because it looks honestly so nice on the face. The leftovers, I kind of just like gradually get it to the middle of my face, but not too much because I don't want it to look like a clown. But I think this is like perfect. Our thoughts. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, but this is a game changer for anybody who wears masks all day, because at my workplace I still am required to wear a mask at all times. This product, it actually keeps my makeup in place for such a long time. So I'm gonna quickly set this all over my face and then I'll go in with the powders after. So that's kind of my little trick there. I'm pretty sure it's not really my trick. Everybody does it, but yeah. Anyways, I know people like really drench their face in this, but this is just like the first layer of it, so I don't want to go too ham. But look at the size of the small one. I definitely get a lot of use out of this one small thing because realistically I don't do my makeup every single day, just only if I go out. So this size is like perfect for anybody who does like a very natural beat every day. I'm gonna quickly just like fix up the inner corners of my under eyes, and then I'm gonna try my new powder. I'm not gonna do all over the face, I don't think. I'm just gonna quickly bake underneath, like literally just this area, this little triangle here, just so that I don't crease throughout the day, because creasing is not, it's not cute. Just press my sponge in here, and I'm really just gonna focus again in that little triangle area. And just like that, my under eyes look so flawless, and it doesn't look too yellow, because the pound cake was definitely way too yellow for me. And then on this side, I'm just gonna lightly, you know what, just set the forehead because I get oily. The best thing, I think personally, it is the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like a lip balm or a lip gloss, because it does say it's like a plumping lip serum, but I don't know. It also says Moisture Glow. I'm just gonna put it on. This is so pretty. This color is really just like enhancing my natural lip color, and I'm obsessed. Guys, this is beautiful. This is the finished product, guys. Okay guys, I think that is it for today's makeup look. I don't know about you guys, but if I haven't convinced you guys to try any, like not even one thing in this video, watch it again. I hope you guys had a fun time watching, and it's just basically getting my first impressions. This is really my first time making a first impressions type of video for makeup, at least. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next one.